Have you ever jumped in a puddle just for play? Waded in a creek on a sunny day? Do you know how to swim? Do you love to splash? Do you like to blow bubbles in your bath? Well, you can't live without it, it goes with bread. If you don't have it, you'd be dead. Water, sweet water, everybody needs sweet water. Clean water, clean water, everybody needs clean water. I always pick up some litter when I canoe with my kids on the river. You never know what you'll find, what some people leave behind. I was paddling near a spring when I found the strangest thing. There in the water was a bottle of spring water. Spring water, spring water, everybody needs spring water. Clean water,